Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Saleh Ananda, victim 22 20 20 50 45, class BBIB. Okay, in this video, I will make an excitement about my experience during yesterday campaign. There are four points here. Okay, the first point: what kind of questions or comments did participants share with you? Mention one or two examples that stood out and how you responded. Okay, questions submitted by participants regarding which part of the strategies in the poster do you think is the most effective in encouraging students to speak English, and why? Okay, the answer: the most effective strategy in a poster to encourage students to speak English often depends on the learner's need, but creating a safe and supportive environment is usually the most powerful. And why? Creating a safe and supportive classroom environment is important because it reduces students' fear and anxiety, encouraging them to take risks and speak up. Even with imperfect English, this kind of atmosphere builds confidence, motivates participation, and benefits learners at all levels by treating mistakes as a natural part of learning. When teachers praise effort and remind students that it's okay to make mistakes, everyone feels more comfortable and willing to practice speaking. The second point: did anyone's story or reaction surprise you or open your eyes to something new? Reflect on anything unexpected or meaningful that come up during the campaign. Of course, there was another experience that was quite surprising and meaningful to me. During the campaign, a student who initially seemed indifferent came after the event and said that the topic we raised made him rethink his attitude towards social issues on campus. He said that he had always felt that this kind of campaign had no real impact, but after seeing the enthusiasm on his friends and the open discussion page, he began to see the importance of participating. This reaction was unexpected, and it reminded me that changes in attitude can come from people we expect, as long as we continue to open up the dialogue and respect every opinion. Okay, the third point: how has this campaign deepened your commitment to break the cycle in your future English classroom? Think about what this campaign made you realize about the kind of teacher you want to be. This campaign has deepened my commitment to break the cycle by showing me how powerful a supportive inclusive environment can be in helping students grow. It made me realize that I want to be the kind of teachers who not only teaches English but also empowers students to speak without fear, embrace mistakes, and support one another. I have seen how judgment, pressure, and silence can hold students back, and I don't want to repeat the cycle. Instead, I want to create a classroom where every student feels seen, heard, and valued, and where learning is a journey, not a performance. Okay, the last point: include one memorable quote or insight you heard during the campaign. It can be from a visitor, a fellow presenter, or even from your own discussion. One memorable quote that stayed with me during the campaign was from a fellow presenter who said, "Students don't need perfect English to be heard, they just need the courage to speak." This simple statement can capture the heart of our message and reminded me that as a future teacher, my role is to build that courage in my students by creating a space where they feel safe, supported, and free to express themselves without fear or judgment. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.